Barrett, are you gonna
Phone
join back?
isn't even laggy. I'm literally on phone right now.
Barrett,
Like,
type in chat if you're joining back.
I don't think he's joining.
I'm gonna give him till 12:16.
What time does the race start?
1.
Alright.
He left BC. All right.
Okay, ready.
3, 2, 1, go.
And I'm getting shoved down here.
Oh,
Wow. Bye.
All right, Pastor Bill.
Oh, the 98 is just gonna wall ride? Okay.
I'm gonna have to take my lane or eat shit. What happened to Cole? Cole, you can wall ride to get up here. I don't really care.
And I got so down there.
Yeah,
You
I was half packing mine too.
You add pack me to help me get up here.
God, 5 back. I feel like 5 might win this match.
Oh, you have that kind of already. Okay, there we go. What the fuck?
Cole, you can merge.
He's back there on here. I don't think he's back. And he came up straight in front of me. Nice one back. Yeah, fuck you. Push me.
I'm trying to like cut.
Man, I keep getting break checked by fucking spot. Yeah, do that. You literally break checked and left yourself.
Alright, 98 is first. 8 seconds. It looks like 1, 2. Caution, cars, 3 cars.
Sorry, Cole.
Break back.
How many laps is it?
20.
How many laps are we at right now?
4.
We already at.
Giving everything 5 got, and gonna be 5 on the restart. 8 seconds.
How did 5 get that?
Looks like unlimited. P3. Unlimited P4. And we're gonna let Bevins join us.
Alone with time in my hands. It's not that bad. Once, twice, I feel that slight reminiscent feeling.
Alright, Bevins, you can join back in. We only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people. Barrett qualified as well. I don't know why he left. He's qualified P4.
I just woke up, bro.
I don't know who Jimmy is. Jimmy, you can join if you want. It's gonna be NASCAR and NASCAR.
Oh, I love Jimmy. Jimmy's too good. Line up.
I wish I would know. I wish I would know. Y'all made the race now. I didn't even realize. We should have just done it last night, really.
Well, everybody voted against
I thought everyone said we should do it.
Everybody said we should do it today, and then nobody registered for it.
What recording?
Can you please line up? Bivin.
I'm not even in the game.
Hey, he's just nice.
Y'all want this? It's up to them.
Take your cars if yes.
Alright, everybody go to the house.
What the fuck?
Alright,
Kanye just pushed me out of
I'm like already almost in, bro. Come on.
Okay, hurry up.
I got pushed out of the line, so you're gonna
We're
have
on
to...
we're on lap 5. 20 out of 20 laps.
Udo Club.
Oh, Jimmy's here too, so... Jimmy, get in your car.
Not on my right account, but it don't matter.
And line up.
Okay, who's that Brazilian?
I don't hear him, so...
And who is Dan is the best? Why did all these people join? What the fuck? Oh my god, bro. I swear to God, if that's a random. Holy hell. No, I'm actually gonna lose my fucking shit if that's a random.
This is why Flame needs to give me admin. And he will not listen to me, even though he gave Argues admin for no reason.
No, if this fucking cunt Rexus, I swear to God. If this motherfucker Rexus.
If he does, I'll DM Flame.
Can you DM Flame to get him out of here, please?
Yeah, I'll DM Flame and...
No, get Air Force in here to kick him and lock the server.
Oh, he's not... I bet you he can't.
Somebody tell him to leave if you can.
I did. Jimmy's literally in the league, by the way, so I don't know why you said you two. Can we go, please?
If everybody lined up.
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh shit, that nigger's in the fucking... He's gonna fucking wreck you. Holy
What the hell?
Yeah, restart.
Oh my god.
What happened?
This kid came and fucking wrecked us.
No! Someone jumped out of their fucking car, that's what happened.
That was Colum.
That's all that happened.
He doesn't have chat. Do y'all realize that? Holy crap.
Yeah, he's showing his friend something. He can tell his friend to fucking leave. Holy shit.
Wait, what?
What are you talking about?
Honestly, what the hell? Are you geeked?
What the fuck is up with my fucking keyboard? Okay.
Dude, who is that Brazilian?
I don't even know, bro.
Is it the 99?
No, the 99's is Jimmy, dude. If you actually look in...
So what's Jimmy's username? Oh,
Literally Jimmy.
okay. Never mind. Shut up, Knox. I didn't even see Jimmy up there. That's my bad.
Hey, can we go?
Yeah, let's go. Come on.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Holy hell, bro. Why did my truck take a dive?
Mine did that too, and I couldn't turn right.
I'll let you an up, Spy. Just chill. You don't have to shove me to shit.
Yes, sir, Spy. Oh, dude, I'm on phone right now. I'm gonna suck.
Damn it, get off the fucking wall.
Yeah, get off the fucking wall, Jimmy.
No, me.
Oh, I thought you said Jimmy. Jimmy, get off the fucking wall.
Bivin, that money, Bivin, that money. Bivin!
I'm not.
And I got shoved up into the wall. Fuck.
Okay, is that not a strike, apparently?
I got
Let
shoved
off.
up
Let
by
off.
you.
Let off.
Shut up. I got shoved up by you. Shut up.
I was trying to fit Brantley, so I turned up. I'm on phone, bro. I suck.
I am too. It's not that hard.
You said you literally just said, bro, is my keyboard gonna work?
No, on phone. Holy shit. No, what is he doing? What are you doing?
Oh, that's the random. Damn, random.
That was meant to leave.
Obviously not many people are playing the league.
He doesn't have chat. Look in chat. Shut up.
I'm actually gonna press the fuck out, bro.
It's 2 a.m. I'm feeling hungry.
Let off.
Some papayas
It's the track, Brantley. It's gonna happen the entire race.
I'm just trying. That's why we're not leaving and rejoining. Shut the fucking back up. Why did I even think that one?
We didn't know it was that bad. Don't mind the 5. He's just more ready.
Yeah, somebody dump the 5. Somebody dump the 5. If you dump the 5, you get an extra 5 points.
I tried to dump the 5 and I just dumped the 5 and he hit Colin. There's like 3 cars around.
Is that not a fucking caution?
Yeah, Brantley. I was going to say that.
I guess there's background. Alright, yeah. Whoever dumps the 5 gets an extra 5
I
points.
tried. I tried to dump him before you even said that.
Well, he's going backwards now.
That's not.
That's
That's Jimmy.
Going backwards.
Line up.
What?
I didn't mean to say that. I meant to say you're not in the league.
Tell him to leave her and get banned.
You're not in the league.
Shut up.
Don't rap as if you want to fucking be in the league.
Are you okay with you about this?
I'm
Eliminate
gonna
them.
look your view at you.
Oh my god, we're gonna get murdered.
Oh shoot! I know this kid.
Who is it?
This kid's he was in Bass Pro for a second and never did anything after he said he was going to race the entire season and didn't do a single thing.
Did you on your fucking
They
first
hit the
one?
spot, baby.
I don't know.
The golden crispy Texas toast
Not in
crunch
Roblox.
and they cane sauce, creamy rich. One love.
Order for Jennifer C.
Is this my double shot, double cream, double froth, double pump, double whip,
Oh,
double
fast,
sleeve?
fast,
Yeah.
fast,
Can you
fast.
handle that? Let's
I
go.
got Trevor.
Did you know Discover automatically doubles all the cash back you've
Forgot
earned at the end of your
Trevor's
first year?
Everybody
Oh,
line up
really?
fast. Single
That's
file.
great.
Single file.
Seriously,
Fast.
did you know Discover automatically
fast.
doubles all the cash back you've
Okay.
earned at the end of your first year?
Oh, single file.
Yeah,
Isn't
you
Trevor?
just
I don't
said
know what
that.
you're doing.
Did
You're
you
not
say
up
I
here.
just said that?
All I
Yeah,
know
I'm
is
cutting you off.
I can't have any more? Why
Unlimited, I don't
not?
know what
You
you're doing.
earn
You're not
We
up
Match.
I'll
Discover
fucking go. Can we
Cashback
go?
Match.
Can we go?
here. No,
See
get back.
terms at discover.com/credit card.
What
Get
is the
outta
four
here.
doing? What is the
Pepsi
four doing?
Complete
What is
knows
Brad
that
doing?
food is one of the
What
best
is
parts
Brad
of game
doing?
day. That
I'm
is,
second.
until
That's why I'm
heartburn
getting up
strikes.
here.
Thankfully,
Fucking
just
railed.
one
We're
chewable
gonna
tablet of
get railed.
Pepsi
We're gonna get
Complete
railed.
provides
Y'all don't
dual-action
line up.
heartburn relief with an antacid that starts working instantly and an acid reducer that lasts all day, so you can stay focused on
Y'all
that
wanna
second
make
helping of
five
chili without
Yep,
worrying
and fuck
about
Bivens,
heartburn.
Bivens.
Tap the banner to shop now.
Can we
All
go?
day based on 8-hour symptom
I don't
relief
care.
studies during the day.
Go.
Use product only as
3, 2,
directed.
1, go. Shit.
Yep. He just said, "Oh, I know Bivens," but yeah, it probably would. He was in it for a second and
Unlimited,
left.
you're about to get dumped. Unlimited, you're probably about to get dumped. He's on your inside.
No, he's not. I'm literally-
Everybody, just let off and let them catch up. Because they were not ready. Let us and let everybody in the back catch up.
No, what?
They weren't ready. Okay, bro. I'm about to just call this bitch right now.
Retard.
Oh my god. He has unlimited 175 points.
I do too.
Like, Vivian, tag team it.
We can't do it.
Y'all both get 5 points. Oh my god, Vivian is gonna go for it. Oh,
I got it.
Vivian takes the 5 points.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Call 6.
Let's go. Hey.
All the people we have are going to get not with our normal racing life, but don't make believe, okay? We're just take a bad track for this instead of having to control it.
I wish NASCAR, what's the game called? Fuck, dude. MWRT had trucks, because that track is actually...
Untamed.
No, that game is ass.
Oh, you know what?
I know it is, but like...
This racing is so bad with the ordinary and that.
Can we just do 5 more laps?
That's what we're doing. 3 laps.
Okay.
Everybody line up.
Dude, what do you mean we're gonna miss the 500? Isn't it in an hour?
Yeah. Let's up the track and then going through.
Yes,
It's
sir.
really not our fault.
Colin better win this. If you don't win this, bro.
Guys, just shut the fuck up. You have to see it. I did not use the tape. Okay, line up, you retard. Wasn't the 4 in first?
No, yeah. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. There's the money.
I know you're there, and then you're gonna run me up to the wall.
Yeah, my bad. Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Nobody's gonna beat them.
Go, Colin, go.
Oh, nice one, Colin.
Jimmy Johnson, baby. Jimmy Johnson's a faster. Go spot. Holy crap, it's 5 fast boys.
Why is he going into that?
He got pushed.
Why are you going to that?
Yeah, exactly.
In the back.
You can't go under the line, you retard.
Yeah, you can. In fucking Auto Club, you can.
Holy shit, I just sent that bitch.
Damn, Colum got slow.
Yeah, and I just fucking sent her.
Oh, I about fucking got.
Holy
Turn.
crap, Colin. Colin got a
How
run
many
of
laps to go? How many laps to go?
3, I think.
3. Yeah, 3 to go. He left. That was that.
Oh, Trev, I'm so sorry. Trev, Trev, can I get a strike?
Yeah.
I missed my brake button and just fucking sent Trev.
I'm P5.
My bad, Trev. My bad, Trev. I'm sorry.
I am so sorry for the 99 and the 1. I kind of sent the J watch. Can you give me a start for that?
Yeah, Trev, that's my bad.
Alright, so we got 3 laps to go. We're in Auto Club.
When we're actually racing, this is fun.
Well, but we always get on the, oh my bad. Oh my god. I don't like stuff. Who?
Oh, can I get
Third,
my,
third. This is first, third.
Trev 54. Yeah, I think I beat somebody to line actually. I think it was Scott. Dude, Trev, I'm actually so sorry, bro.
Get in line. Just get in line. Get in line.
Alright, are y'all ready?
Yeah.
Jump on. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go.
Wow, 29, you're gonna fucking... Nice, you're gonna... That's gonna kill me.
Wrong. Trev, come on.
I'm wrecking.
Oh, Trev, not that much.
Nice one.
I told Trev.
Do it again. Keep going.
I told Trev to wall ride a bit, not that much. Oh.
Well, now you told me, so I didn't even know. I didn't even see that about wall ride, but if you don't say,
No,
No, we were just catching up.
we didn't actually. Well, we were just catching up. Yeah. We didn't wall ride the past.
can't live it.
I'm not even. I was on the plane.
Oh! And it's coming to 1 lap to go.
Trev leads them.
Hey, Trev, load them off.
Takes it from Jimmy. Trev around. He
You
laid
came down
off.
on this.
No, he laid off.
Go!